Hi guys, today we are going to learn about switch port security. I have created a simple network that consists of 5 items and 4 are in the network and 1 PC2. We shall use it for testing the working of the network. So in the PC0 I've given the IP address as 192.168.10.2. In the default gateway is 192.168.10.0. That is in the PC0. In the PC1, I've given it the IP address 192.168.10.3. Same subnet mask and the same default gateway, that is 192.168.10.0. In the router, we have given it the IP address and that is interface G0/0, which is in our network. I've given that the IP address, of course, is the default gateway 192.168.10.1. 255 is our subnet mask and no shutdown. Having done up to that, we would like to configure the switch into the current requirement. That is, we ensure that there is port security. Note that we are using FA02 and FA0 and FA03. So 2 and 3, FA03, fast Ethernet 3, fast Ethernet port 2 and 3 are the one that we are going to configure in access mode, and we shall shut down all the others. So we start interface range FA0 2 to 3, switch port access, switch port mode. We first enable the mode access, switch port mode access. Then we have switch port security, switch port security. Then we have switch port security MAC address, switch port security MAC address. We ensure that the MAC address will be sticky. Switch port MAC address sticky. Then we have the maximum number of MAC addresses that can be registered. We have switch port security maximum. You can just use max 1. So maximum port number, maximum MAC address that can be registered is 1. Then we ensure that we have protected it through using vibration. The vibration command, we shall use restrict. So switch port security vibration restrict. Enter. And finally, no shutdown. Of course, that is to bring up the no shutdown, no shutdown, to bring up the interface. Note that when we use restrict, this one, when we use restrict, it shows that if there will be a variation, if there will be a violation of the rule that we have entered in the switch, we shall have it shall record of the attempted violation. After the switch port security configuration, make sure that you shut down all the other interfaces, that is FA04 to 24, so that they cannot interfere. So I've already done that, and after that we have finished, and now we are going to test if the rule is taking place. So we have this is number 2 in the network. So we are going to ping. Okay, we shall go to command prompt and ping that is we ping from the gateway, of course from the router, and the communication is successful. Let's try to ping from the second PC, and the communication is also very successful. Now those pings have allowed the registration of MAC address. Remember that we have set the MAC address to be sticky. So once it's registered, there will be no other device that will be around. So let's see if the switch has registered show running by using the command show learning config. Show learning config. You can realize that we have the first Ethernet 02 is either actually the restriction is working, or the other interfaces are down, and you realize that all other interfaces are down. We want to verify about the switch port security, so we shall enter the command show port security, show port security. Yes, you realize that the counts that are there is that the maximum secure address is 1 from FA02 and FA03. Each one of has 1. The current address is 1, but there is no violation. Okay, now we want to see how it shall be when we try to violate the rule. The FA02 is connected to PC0, but if we connect PC2 to FA02, so we try and connect this somewhere else, and we take a straight through cable. Let's say this is an interference, somebody is trying to interfere with your network, and he comes and just out of from nowhere, and okay, let me try again. I want to connect this PC, yes, its fast Ethernet cable to FA02. Remember, the FA02 is the only working right now, and we give give the IP address exactly as PC0 was. We want to see if it can act just will this PC be accepted by the switch. Let's see. Yeah, having entered that one, remember this IP is number 2 is the IP that was used by this PC. Okay, so we want to see if the communication will be complete, so we can use this PC to try and ping. Let's try to ping back. We want to ping that. Yeah, we are trying to ping. Let's try and see if the communication will go through. Request timeout. Request timeout. Request timeout. Request timeout. Yes. Request timeout. Final. Raise that the communication is not going through. Somebody may doubt, and you can even try to do the pinging from this PC. Yeah. Even if you try from this PC, it will not work. Ping. We try to ping from that one. Yeah, we try. Let it ping from the other PC. You realize that it will not work. That shows that it has been blocked by the configuration that we have done. So your configuration shows it is successful. And let's see if that problem was registered by our switch. Show port security. You can see that in security violation are 6 violations. So it shows that we have been able to capture the intruder or the intrusion number that have been attempted. Thank you very much. Yours, Ernest Muremi from Mount Kenya Computers. Most efficient online services. Join us. Our site, ablecomputers.blogspot. Facebook. This is our Facebook page, Muremi the Consultant. Thank you. We are grateful to have you. Thank you. Subscribe.